All right, guys. My name is Imran Ghani. I will be working with you on the next module. You can call me Imran. And probably we need to wait for just 1 or 2 minutes for everybody to come in. In the meantime, yeah, could you please, everybody, go to the chat and write down how many of you know PHP? PHP language? No? Okay. 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 Some just started looking into it. No practical knowledge. Okay, I see. All right. Okay. All right. No problem. So you're in the right place now, it means. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Um, Based on the schedule, today I'm going to touch upon this topic, hands-on workshop using PHP and MySQL. So today you can imagine that we are going to create a vulnerable website first. Okay. So we will touch with HTML and PHP and MySQL so that you can create a simple website where we have DB and MySQL and some code that process the data using PHP. So any simple website that anybody creates that is by default is a vulnerable website. Vulnerable for what? Vulnerable for SQL injection, phishing, and much more. Okay. So we will touch on this topic first. Will we be using our Pi or for this one, no need for Pi. We will be using different thing. We will be using just Notepad or Notepad++ and XAMPP software. XAMPP, I hope you have installed XAMPP. I will come to that point in a minute. Okay. XAMPP or MAMP, M-A-M-P. Okay, so I will get to that point. So first of all, a vulnerable website we will create today, and then I will have few more sessions next Saturday. One will be more kind of like research oriented study, whereas we will do again hands-on phishing exercise using PHP. We might fish like biglots.com or some facebook.com or any other website, because phishing is usually done on a website, and mostly websites are vulnerable as compared to some apps. Then we will see again SQL injection. So it's SQL. SQL is related to MySQL. That's why we were going to touch MySQL today. So we will be using SQL injection, and we will see how attacker actually executes a SQL injection and how can we mitigate it. So this will be again a hands-on workshop. All right. So we are going for this one. Let me share this simple thing. This is our normal client server architecture. Okay, so we have clients, they are using browser. Here are the clients using mobile phone or whatever. So we are using internet. Today we are not going to use internet. We are going to use your own local PC or laptop. Okay, but we will use HTTP protocol like any website. I will go through with each and every step with you. So clients, they are going to interact with the servers. So server is like, we are using Apache server in this exercise. There are certain other servers like IIS if it is a Microsoft environment purely, but Apache is cross-platform. That's why we prefer that one. And our database will also be here. Apache, PHP, MySQL DB, everything will be on our server. Whereas server, for this exercise, your own PC is server and your own PC is client. Okay, so how does these things work? We will see that in a minute.